Welcome to the... That's right. Today we have another delicious and delightful episode. Today we're doing every kid's favorite tricks. Now you know what they say, tricks are for kids. Well, I have two little critters here who absolutely adore tricks. I grew up in this when I was a baby. I used to eat this all the time. I ate many cereals when I was a baby, and this one was one of my favorites. You want to eat it? That's a great idea.
Let's eat it right now.
Let's eat it right now. So let's open it. So here's the Trix, and they come in different colors, of course. Orange, yellow, purple. You got a purple one. Hey, we're actually going to take a look at a purple Trix today. So we love it. We eat it with milk and also without milk. It's just a yummy snack for us. So there it is. So let's begin our exploration. I have a sample of the purple Trix here. Let's begin looking at it now. Whoa! Check out that purple Trix. So, what does that remind you of?
A volcano.
Hey, that's a good observation. It does remind me of a volcano. There's a hole. It's a very scary hole in that Trix. And it's a crater, and there could be Trix lava inside. That's right. Volcanoes have explosions. They're quite scary. This is just a Trix, so it's delightful and yummy. It sort of makes sense because each one of these little Trix is, you could think of it as a small little planet. There's a little yellow one right here. Oh yeah, these kids, I tell you, they love anything that has sugar. Speaking of which, I wonder what this Trix has. It has cornmeal, grain corn, corn syrup, corn, sugar, more sugar. They just throw grain, corn, and sugar on it. So that's what they do. So there's the 5X. You're still eating more. Yeah, eat away, baby. They're delicious. I love the smell of Trix too. It has a really good smell. Delightful. So there's the 5X. It keeps closing. Okay, let's take off. Let's remove this little strap here. There's that little bunny for the Trix. I remember that little rabbit. Look at that little silly rabbit. So we'll leave this here. Let's go to 10X because I want to take a look at that Trix volcano a little bit closer. Here we go. Whoa, look at that.
That looks like a volcano. The hole is bigger.
The hole is bigger, yeah. Now this is 10X, so we're looking at it in much greater detail. These Trix are very esculent. I love eating these. Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Esculent means it's suitable for eating. And let me tell you, these are extremely suitable for eating. We just eat these like rabid animals. So there's the 10X. I want to look deeper. I want to look closer into that hole. Shall we get closer? Let's look at that little Trix volcano even closer. Here we go. Whoa!
The hole looks bigger.
It does look bigger. Wow. It really does look like a volcano. What's interesting to me is that...
Fell down.
They fell down. That's okay. We just eat it. Wow, I never knew that it resembles a volcano. Isn't that interesting? Big and delicious and amazing. Hey, you know what else is amazing? The subscribe and like button. Please go ahead and smash it! That's right. He loves saying that phrase. Thank you for your support. You guys have supported us so much, so we appreciate that. Which one is your favorite, Osito? Yellow and pink. Wow.
No, it's not yellow, orange, and pink.
Ah, yellow, orange, and pink. Oh, my bad. Wow, yeah.
That's it.
Well, that's pretty much all of them. Yellow, orange, pink. You're just missing purple, so he pretty much just likes all the Trix. Well, there you have it, folks. Today we took a deep, interesting adventure. Join us again next time as we continue to travel through the unseen universe.